Now we are done with the connection, and the red light should come on naturally based on what you have in the circuit drawing. Okay, so on pressing my start, the power circuit has not been connected yet because our breaker is off. So when I press start, my start contactor comes on and my green indicator comes on. It tells me that the motor has started. When I press stop, it switches from green to red. What happens if you try to stop while the motor is still on? So this is the best time to test your circuits because you can test the control circuit without interfering with the power circuit, because the power circuit is high voltage and that's what's going to power my three-phase motor. So let me start again, and while it's running, let me press brake. So I switch immediately to blue before I go to red. Let me do it again one more time. From start, then I press brake. Now the blue light comes on. Once I release my hand, it switches to stop. So now we are going to test it with the power circuit coming on. So I'll put on my 4-pole breaker, which activates the electric motor. So when I press start, my motor rolls. So now the motor is running. It's running at a given speed. Okay. So when I press stop, the electric motor stops and my red light comes on. My motor rolls to stop. So let me start it again and see. On starting it, the green line comes on, the motor running. So when I press stop, it takes some time for the motor to stop. But this circuit has been carefully designed for dynamic brake. This will bring the motor to a sudden stop when I press the brake button, which is this. So let's run it again on start. Motor running. Motor running. So now I want to press brake. You observe how fast it comes to brake. You saw that, right? It was just like a sudden wave. Let's go again. One more time. We are not scared of this circuit. We are engineers. So now we are going to break it and observe how fast. Let me come here. It comes to. Please don't try this at home. It's very dangerous. If you are not trained to do this, don't try it at home. Okay, so this is where we do our technical trainings for engineers that works in various sections that carries out electrical troubleshooting and maintenance in plants.